Hey, good afternoon guys. Joel Freeze with All Florida Home Team, introducing you to our newest listing. It's 9932 Southwest 154th Place. Great neighborhood. If you're looking for a family home, this is it. House features 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, screened in pool area, ideal for entertaining. Your kids and family will love it. Best features are walking distance to great schools. You got Felix Varela around the corner and a great elementary school right up the road too. Come on in, let's check it out.